Guys, good morning. Welcome back once again to Adaju's family. So guys, this is me this morning. This is to 4. Sorry, this is to 5. So I'm preparing my kids to school. So right here, I just brought out what I'll use and make jollof rice for them. While I have my water on fire, I use pot to put this water so that I will not be boiling it 2 times. That is the reason why I use pot to boil it, so that once the water is boiled, I will just divide it into two, give the boys their own, give the kids their own. That is it. So I'm waiting for this water to boil. That is why I was prepping all this, prepping all these things, getting them ready. I've sliced my vegetable. This is green leaf, and here's onions. Here's fresh tomatoes, my seasoning cube, my sachet tomatoes. Here is my crayfish for the jollof rice. So I will select pepper from that side and pound, but not now. I don't want to wait them right now. So just want to measure out rice and keep by the side. Then use kitchen, put water for the rice that I'll use and wash the rice. That is it. So if you are watching this video, thank you very much for always coming to watch my video. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Don't forget to stay your mama and that just in the building. I'm still on my 30 days challenge. Today should be, I don't really know how many days we have gone, understand, but I know this 30 challenge is going to be ending on November 5th because I started it on 5th, you understand? So do it to support your girl so that we can achieve a massive result, you understand? So keep watching and don't forget to give us a like, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Drop a nice comment for me. Thank you. Keep watching. Guys, pardon me. I'm just managing this solar bulb and my phone torchlight, you understand? So enjoy the brightness of this video. Thank you. So gorgeous friends, I later changed this tomatoes. I brought out the thing on. So I'm removing this sachet and I will not be using it again. You understand? Even if I'm to use, I'll add one because of this pepper onion. Because my pepper is not big. I'll just add it, you understand? I brought out my rice, waiting for the water to boil so that we can start cooking. I might do the cooking um behind the camera, understand? Let me just take thumbnail. So guys, I might cook the food behind the camera, you understand, because of the light within onion. I'm just managing this light. So I don't know how bright this video is going to be. Mostly early morning like this when I'm prepping my children for school. I don't normally on gen because of noise in the environment. Not even the noise. I don't just like it. But thanks to this bulb, you understand. Since we don't have NEPA light, at least when you're doing something, you will do it no noise. And this gen I'm on, once I on the gen, if I was in the background noise, it will be too loud. So I enjoy filming this video this morning because everywhere is calm, you understand? So bear with me, we will get there, you understand? We will get there. Maybe I'll talk to you guys when the food is done. Yeah, keep watching. Love you guys. Finally, our food is ready. Rate this food from 1 to 10. Let me know on the comment section and come and join us and eat. Then anyone in the pot, you get it? Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Don't forget to stay your mama Adachu's in the building. And we are still on our 30 days challenge. Guys, I'm just coming back from dropping my children to school. So I'm going back home, you understand? So thank you for watching our video. So thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to give us a like, drop a nice comment for us, share our video, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed, you understand? Thank you, because I know you will do that.
And don't still forget, your girl is on a challenge. Oh. I'm singing it like Egwu Timaya, be Egwu Fino. You understand? Please do it to support us, guys. You know, GRA is a quiet place, so this my area is GRA. It's not noisy, so but let the grasses you are seeing not deceive you. Understand? Very soon it will develop. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. I don't know if I will end this. I will end this video here. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Yes. So stay tuned and see you guys in our next one. I really appreciate you guys. At times when I'm talking to you guys, I don't feel like cutting the phone. I will have this joy in me. See, my hand is paining me. Guys, please, if you are touched to buy me tripod, buy it too. Honestly, I will not regret it. I need tripod. My hand is paining me. Oh my God, can you see this purple? Can you see this purple? Eh? Fruits everywhere, vegetable, green. Oh my God. So, later, guys.